So, what's up YouTube? Had a little Sunday walk, little 7.5 kilometers, and decided to give you a bit of news. It's been a while since I had a holiday, so I decided to book a little trip, and if you guys want to follow me on the journey, I'll be more than welcome to share some of my experiences with you. Just look at this place, absolutely beautiful. So it's the end of October now in Switzerland, and it's still absolutely beautiful. But this is strange for this time of year. It should be cold, a lot colder. But anyway, back to the holiday. I booked a little trip in December, beginning of December. First of all, I'm going to fly from Zurich to Cairns in Australia, and I got a few little things which I'll keep you updated on. So, as I was saying, first is off to Cairns, then after the night's sleep in Cairns, I've got my first little trip organised to Daintree tropical rainforest and Bloomfield River to go and see and meet the local wildlife. I hope I meet the ones without ferocious teeth and from the dinosaur era, but taking the big camera, so let's hope we get some fantastic shots. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll keep you posted. Take care, YouTube.